Elise Carrick at the agency. Don't we have a delight for you today at 357 Joskeleigh Road? Come take a look.
You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type?
If you're looking for the perfect mix between reef and beef, only a few hundred metres from the sea, come check out this beautiful 50-acre property behind me.
Dance in the dark. We're dreamers.
If you'd like more information on this beautiful slice of paradise, only a few minutes from the closest amenities in Keppel Sands, reach out to me anytime. I look forward to meeting you.
Something about